Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cotton candy using Jolly Ranchers. First, gather your essential tools: a cotton candy machine, your favorite hard candies, and a clean area to work. It is important to ensure your machine is spotless before starting. Select a few different Jolly Rancher flavors to create a vibrant and tasty treat. This simple process will transform ordinary hard candies into a fluffy, sweet delight in just a few minutes. Now let us prepare our candies. Unwrap approximately 6 to 8 Jolly Rancher candies for each batch you plan to make. If any candies are too large, gently break them into smaller, more manageable pieces so they fit easily into your machine's spinning head. Remember, only hard candies work best for this method. Avoid any sticky or chewy varieties, as they will not melt and spin correctly, potentially damaging your machine. It is time to make some magic. Turn on your cotton candy machine and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is hot enough to melt the candy quickly. Once preheated, carefully drop your prepared Jolly Rancher pieces directly into the center of the spinning head. As the wisps of cotton candy begin to form, use a paper cone or stick to gently collect and twirl them into a fluffy cloud. Enjoy watching your sweet creation come to life. To ensure the best experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly after each use to prevent any sugar buildup, which can affect future batches. Do not be afraid to experiment with various Jolly Rancher flavors or even mix a few together to discover your new favorite combination. Finally, enjoy your freshly made, flavorful cotton candy immediately, as it tastes best when it is warm and fluffy. Happy spinning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.